Hello everyone, this is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you another tip on where you can locate the field in order to find gated communities within the MLS system. For this example, we're going to go over to search and use the option RE1, RE2, which houses single family homes, condos, townhomes, and villas. I'm going to go ahead and give it a click. All right, from there, what you want to do is add the field subdivision information. In order to do so, you're going to come down here where you see additional fields, and you're going to click on Add Remove. From there, we're going to search for the field right here on the left side of the page where you see available fields, and we're going to type in subdivision information. Or you could just type a little bit of it, like so, and then you're going to find it located right here under available fields. Now, to use it as a search option, what we first have to do is click where you see subdivision information. That way it turns blue, and then that way we can click on the Add button so that we can use it to search. Once it's added, we're going to click the Back button. All right. From there, you can make your selection. For example, I'm going to do single family under RES property type, and under type of property, I am going to select single. All right, moving down. From there, we're going to locate the field we just added, which is subdivision information. And then from there, we're going to select gated community. This will allow you to filter and only search for gated community properties within the MLS system. This was a quick tip. You can find other tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers, or by going into the MLS Help Center, which is located at the top of the website, miamirealtors.com. You're going to click the MLS section and then access the Miami Realtors MLS Help Center right here. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a great day.